Hello guys, Brian here, and today I will be, or in this next episode, I'll be trying to practice how to drive the AH6 Little Bird. Ah shit, I should have changed it to the engineer, or whatever. Serato, okay, that's a Serato. She like that. Pitch, y'all. Alright, I played it, I'm playing for free. You got me. I feel like the guy, the thing from called Modern Warfare 3. That guy, right? Oh shit. Right. Ah crap. Alright, so I know how to roll. This is how you move, I know. Yeah, but this didn't agree. This, try not to move it that much. Try to. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. No power. It's not hurt. It's not damaged. It's not damaged. It's not damaged. Okay. Alright. Ah, damn it. Alright. They didn't tell me about moving the left stick, you know. That's their fault. Shit.
Move away from there. Come back here. Let's go.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. That sucks. Alright. What the hell? Am I using the coat seal machine? How do I... Alright, those are flares, I guess, or I don't know, smoke. Oh, I changed weapons. Wait, now you got a limited number of friggin'... Ah, that hurt my eyes. How about this? The chopper is up there, so I'm gonna try to climb. Turn off the laser. Turn it on, never mind. Lasers are awesome, alright. Commit suicide. What the fuck? How did I not die? How did I not die? I wanna die. Day I wanna die. I'll just drown myself. Yeah, I'll just drown myself. Freedom!
Hey, where you going? Come here!
No! Freedom! Alright, there. Right, this is... Alright, round 2. Right, flares. Right, roll. This is pretty much for like, what do you call it? Barrel rolls, I'm guessing. Let me try to do a barrel roll. Oh shit, never mind. Never mind.
Hey, come back. We got a battle to win. What are you doing?
Oh shit, we got a battle to win. Repair. Repair. God damn it, repair. Right there. Alright, so that's going to go in my checklist. Don't do loop-de-loops on a scout. Try to, I'm not loop-de-loops with barrel rolls. Capturing, you know? Oh, what? No, 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 no. Right. flares. Shiny.
We have objective Bravo now.
Oh, right here. Alright, now I'm gonna practice on how to annoy someone by hovering over them, this little bird, and pretending that they got a kill streak from Call of Duty or something. I know it'll annoy them. Oh, fuck, what the? Repair. Good thing I found an empty server. There's like a lot of them right now. A lot of empty servers. Right, so this is how I would hover. Oh, fuck, what the? God damn it. Team setup. God damn it, fucking. No, I haven't played as a recon, so. No, there's probably a way up this building using those freaking elevators, but I'm too lazy to. Oh, what's this? It's like mark targets now, meters. Look for an elevator or some shit. No, there's probably something I can do to blow this door up. It's Battlefield. You can blow anything up. And you can blow a door up, okay. I see you. I realize there's like a big ass entrance just to open it. I just haven't looked. Is there a parking lot? Nope. Just chucked up next. No, so I guess I'm. Let me check the bullet drop. Suicide. Redeploy. Sure, use one ticket. Oh. God damn it. Redeploy. I need to be an engineer. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Oh, wait, never mind. Added one death to my stats. So I'm pretty much ruined in terms of stats right now. Or this is how you hover over someone then. Flares. Alright, so I'm gonna practice on how to maneuver through the buildings and such. Ah, fuck. Well, I don't want. Is there a car here? There's a skyscraper. There's a skyscraper. Yeah. I'm afraid that if I shoot this, I'm probably gonna fall and die. But it will be like some sort of awesome death. Oh shit, I almost fell. Alright, first I'm gonna see what those weapons are, those little gun thingies. What is this, like a sniper? I practice how to long scope. Or not long scope, but oh shit, my position's been compromised. Huh. What, I can die because of fire? Oh, I almost died. I got 1 health. Okay, I can't destroy it, so. Oh, using that, I guess. Alright, redeploy. 1 death to my stats, sure, it's not like if it's gonna come out in real game, these stats, so you know, it comes out in real fucking game. So. My friend Boss Crossing once told me about doing this trick where you jump out of the chopper, and then you jump back into the chopper. I'm gonna try to fly up. That is all I will go. Oh shit. Oh, get back into my... Oh god. Oh gosh. It's actually scary for some reason. What the hell's wrong? Oh. God, how come I always land here when I... say that's a glitch or something. Maybe it isn't, but you know, maybe it was intended like that, but... Anyway guys, that's the end of this video. Goodbye.